What's up guys, and welcome to Web Education's daily tech tips. In today's tech tip, we're learning how to install the iOS 14 update. Now iOS 14 is a very interesting update and everyone's getting excited about the new software update and the customizable widgets and home screens. And so I'm here to show you how to install that update and a few important tips before you install that update. Alright, so the first thing you need to do before you update your iPhone is to make sure you back up your data. And you can back up your data using iCloud by going to your name there after settings and then go to iCloud and make sure everything is turned on. And if you don't have enough space in your iCloud, you can back up using iTunes and back up your data on your computer or on your Mac. Just make sure you back up your data before updating your iPhone. The next thing you need to do is check how much storage space you have on your iPhone, because update files require storage space on your iPhone. And to do that, once again, tap on settings and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage and just check how much storage space you have. Generally, you need between 8 to 10 gigs of free storage space. Next thing you need to check is how much battery you have. Make sure your phone is properly charged, or simply plug it in during the update process so that you don't run out of battery during the process, because it might corrupt some files and maybe damage your iPhone possibly. Lastly, make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, because update files can be huge and they can take up a lot of data. So make sure you have your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi before you start the process. Now with all those checked, you're ready to start updating to iOS 14. So go ahead and tap on settings and then you want to go to general, tap on that, and then go to software update and tap on that, and then let your iPhone check for updates. And right there, if you have iOS 14 available, you should see it there. It should tell you how much space it's going to occupy. Mine is going to occupy 2.84 gigs. And you can read a little bit about iOS 14 and then tap on download and install. And of course, you're going to need to enter your password. Agree to the terms of service, of course, after reading. So right now you've requested for the update and it should start downloading in a few moments. So when the download starts, it's going to tell you approximately how much time is remaining, and it usually depends on how fast your Wi-Fi connection is. So for mine, it says about 2 hours remaining. So I'm going to wait for 2 hours and then I'll come back and show you how to install after those updates have been downloaded. So when the update finishes downloading, it's going to get installed. It's going to restart your phone. You're going to have to enter your password or Face ID or Touch ID and then get back to your iPhone now running iOS 14. And you'll start to see changes immediately. You can see the Apple Music logo has turned red. You also get to see the new widgets feature. And iOS 14 will do its best to run you through these features and try to give you tips of using these widgets. But that's basically how to install iOS 14. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down in the comment section below the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.